Oh my days, my backache, backache. I got another idea for you. Can you guess what that is? I will wait. You guess. I ordered it yesterday and it came so quick. It arrived today from Amazon. From Amazon. Hi lovelies, how are you doing? It's another unboxing review with Tell Not or Tellasis. Did you guess it right what I bought? It's okay, let's see the reveal. While we are at it, if you are new to our zone, welcome. Please subscribe to join us and turn on notification bell to get reminded whenever we post a new video. To my existing fans here, I see you, I hail you, thank you for all your support. Here we go. It's Renpho Smart Healthy Living product. Who got it right? Yay! Shoulder and neck massager. Needing shiatsu heat. Quick unboxing. It's all about Renpho unboxing today. I am so excited of this product because I know Renpho hasn't disappointed me before. You remember my skipping rope? It's from Renpho. Here comes the specification of this product. This is an improved model. This is not the first model, it's an improved model, so the old ones might actually be different. We have here the input 12 volts by 2.5 amps and rated power 30 watts, default timer 15 minutes, and what's inside: massager, AC adapter, and user manual. This is a product of China, and exactly what this massage is gonna produce or give you: shiatsu massage, heat function, adjustable intensity, auto off timer. Yeah, okay, let's go. Woo. There we go. This is the charger. So we have the, whoa, it's big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. Really big. This, I don't know what that is, and manual. Ooh, it's heavy. Is it pure leather? I don't know. It's like, so there is plug here. I'm gonna find out how to do all these. I'm gonna open this. This goes in here and then plug. So it's not rechargeable, you have to plug it to work. So we have to find out how it works, which one is written in English. Okay, quick read and see the setting. Warning: to reduce the risk of burns, fire, electric shock, or injury to persons, the appliance could never be left unattended while on. So there are lots of warnings on here, so you better read the manual when you get this. I'm not going to continue reading it. So product feature number 1 is the control panel, and number 2 is the shiatsu node, which is here. This place is called the shiatsu node. All this place, shiatsu node. And the 3 positioning handle. Here we have the positioning handle. You can see it where you put your hand. And 4 DC power. That's this one here. As DC power, I've already connected it. And then we have the power adapter. So I've connected the DC to the power adapter. So that's all about thing you want to know. It says there's a zip here. My inquisitive nature would love to open this zip and see what is in there. They really tucked it inside. I don't know why I'm trying to open it, but let's see. Ooh, so this is how the inside is. Wow. And then they have this machine, oops, inserted. So this is what works. So this is what will be massaging you. This is the machine that does the work. So I don't think you have to wash it. It will only be cleaned, and when cleaning it, it has to be unplugged. Here is kind of firm, looks very high quality, and here is fabric, but looks kind of like what do they call it, like polyester kind of fabric. And here is leather. I don't think this is pure leather. So that's it. So now it's time to try it on. This is a power button, and this is to set the massage where how you want it to go, whether it's high massage, low massage, whatever setting you want for the massage. And this is for speed change, where you will set it high or low, however you want it. This is for heat, whether you want to activate the heat or deactivate the heat. This button is the one you will press. Like I said before, here is where you hold your hand to set it. So this is the shear node. I'm gonna put it now around my neck. I have to tie my hair really up. I've tied my hair up so that there won't be any distraction. So you put it this way, so this side goes down, the zipper part, and this is up, and then I place it this way. You see how it's balanced on my neck? So when I put my hand on it like this, it balances and creates a comfort, and it stays this way. And now I'm gonna press the on button to see how I feel. Ooh la la, ooh la la, this is so amazing, like human hand. Okay, so let's do and set it higher, and let's see. Okay, this is reverse mode. If you press this one, it's kind of changing the way it massages to another direction. So I'm feeling only on this side. You can see it's moving more on this side. So let me press it again. Press it again. Press it again and again. Okay. Okay. Back to the normal section. Okay, this is cool. This goes on and off. Why is this supposed to be? It shouldn't be going off at every press. You see how long it's gonna go and it's gonna stop. Stops. Why? I go again. No, this is, why is it stopping? I see, if I stay still, it will be working, but once I move, it's okay. I moved again, it didn't stop. Okay, so now it's beginning to work well. So this is really great. This is really great. Okay, so let me try the heat. This is so amazing. I've been having this pain, oh my god, like there's a hip over my back. I've done exercise, it will relieve, but it will continue. So uncomfortable, that kind of pain you wouldn't wish your worst enemy. But this is a good complement to workout. Oh my god, I don't have to pay any masseuse any money anymore. This is my masseur now. Guys, get this. But I'll tell you, take care of it. Don't wash it, clean it up, because you see it's leather and polyester fabric around the shear location. So all you need to do is to wipe it down when you finish and store it in a cool, dry place. Remember, When your body is wet, please don't use. When you are sweating, please don't use, because you're plugging it in electricity and you know it's current. You can be electrocuted if you have your body wet. Electric shock is not good. This is lovely. I am loving the effect. Okay, so we're gonna change position and see how it works on other areas. So now I placed it on my back area. With the handle, you can move it as much as you want. See, look, and moving it down more, down more, down more, and it's going. I can even use it at my waist area. Let's go down to the waist. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is super amazing. You can lie down and just use it. Oh my god, it's just at the exact point where I am having the most pain. Oh my god, this is like heaven. This is so good. Guys, this is the best product ever. This is good. This works. If I continue doing this, I'm not gonna stop. Like, seriously. Oh my god, it's getting me there. There, it's painful, but ooh la la. Guys, I don't feel like getting up anymore. And I don't feel like getting up, because this is everything. This is everything. Guys, use the link down below to get this product. Oh my god, oh my goodness, this is so good. Renpho, their product is good. My skipping rope, this, they call it shoulder and neck massage, but it can massage everywhere. Oh my god, this is so good. It's hitting the pain point. It's hitting the pain point. All right guys, this is it for this review for today, because your girl is on another level. You can see I'm falling asleep already talking. All right, this is it for this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, click the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share. One love. See you in the next one. Bye. Heaven, top, second heaven.